Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see game zip part 1 part 2 extract. If you get any errors, then follow these steps to prevent it guys. First you just need to download the 7 zip. To do this, check my video description for this download link. Select the link and this site will open up. Installer for Windows. Here you can able to see 32-bit download option and 64-bit download option. To find your system bit, go to search menu and type system information. Click on open it. In system type, you can able to see your system bit. In my case, I have 64-bit operating system. After knowing that, select the download option depends on your system bit. In my case, 64, so I'm selecting this. For 32-bit, select this second download option. After getting download and select the downloaded exe file and select yes, select install option. After the installation done, close it. Just to minimize this page. And now you just need to navigate to the game part files. Before extracting this, go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select the manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and select yes. After turning off, just to minimize this page. And now right click on the part 1 file and select show more options and select the 7 zip and select extract here option. This will extract all the files guys. So now as you can see game files has been extracted. Just double click on the setup, select more info option and select run anyway option. Select yes. Select the language and select OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music and make sure nothing is running in the background. If you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box guys. Limit installer to 2 GB of RAM usage and then select next and select next. Select the browse option and select the location where you want to save this game and select OK and select next. Check all these and select install option. After the installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select the add-on remove exclusions and select yes. Select the add-on exclusion and select folder. Navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in C drive games and here is the game folder. Select it and select folder option. And the game has been added to this list as you can see. Go back and turn on the real-time protection. After turning on, just to close stuff here and uncheck this option guys. Open this site, redirect to this site and select finish option. As you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem and you will never face any game related problem guys. No further level guys. Thank you.